Oh my gosh, it's killed my fence. It's dark in the house because it's covering the windows. Try this again from a different angle. And that's a 6-foot high fence. That's actually a little higher in the back and on the side. But because I'm looking at the mountainside, there's a lot of uneven drifting. That side goes up, and that side over there goes down the mountain. I live part way up. So to the right there where I'm looking goes down to the highway, and there continues up even higher. Yeah. So the lighting is probably going to be off because I'm inside, and as you can see, the snow is packed up against this window. The window from the floor to the top frame is about 6.5 feet. So, as you can see, it's packed right up there. And if you look out at it, it's that high. And then this is the other dining room window. The dining room faces the mountainside. And then this is the deck. I'm looking out at the deck. You can see the chandelier light reflection behind me. And I was thinking, if I hadn't have washed my balances, it would probably be even darker in here. Because as it is now, it's packed right up against that window over my head, and I estimated from the floor to the top of the windowsill at 6.5 feet. It could be a little higher. But that's the only open area is right there. So if I had the valances here, we wouldn't be able to see this. And then this is the second dining room window again. Not quite as high as the one next to it, but still over my head. These wind chimes keep blowing. Now, of course, I'm filming, so they're not going to blow. These are given to me as a birthday gift by a very dear friend who we loved as a family member. And he lost his life to suicide. And the wind chimes mean a lot to me. But it's pretty nippy out here now. Don't know what we'll see for a snow plow today. Not going to worry about it at 11 a.m. We're not going anywhere. No eye surgery today. They're closed.